Installation of V-packing sets. Preparation. For a successful installation of the seals, please note the following. Make sure that the mounting position and orientation of the sealing element in the housing is correct. Carefully clean all related components prior to installation. All edges of the housing and of the lead-in chamfers must be rounded and burr-free. Prior to installation, the seal should be coated sparingly with suitable mineral oil-based assembly grease, Vaseline, or a small quantity of operating medium. This eases the installation procedure and minimizes associated risks. For installing V-packing sets into an axially adjustable housing, you need the height of the complete set. A tag showing this measurement is included in the delivery package. If this information is missing, measure the height of the complete set at several positions prior to installation. While measuring, press the upper ring with the heel of your hand downwards to avoid clearance. The average value equals the dimension L of the housing. Adjust the length of the housing to equal this L measurement by choosing appropriate shims. For installing the rings, the piston rod must be positioned inside the housing. See to it that the sealing edges are not damaged during installation. Installation of the V-packing set. When installing a V-packing set supplied as endless version, the support ring of the set is pushed down to the bottom of the housing first. Then, take the first V-ring and gently push it down until it rests on the support ring using a wooden or plastic slat and a hammer. Make sure that all tools used have smooth surfaces and rounded edges. This avoids any damage to the rings. For all further V-rings, it is helpful to place, for example, a cable fastener between the V-ring and the outer diameter of the housing. This will allow the air which is trapped between the various V-rings to escape. Remove the cable fastener after each V-ring has been installed. The final pressure ring of the set is installed just like the individual V-rings. V-packing sets supplied as open version have an oversized circumferential length. During installation, each ring of the set is individually inserted into the housing with the butt joint first. Then, pressure should be applied on the point opposite the butt joint in such a way that the loop resulting from the oversize will lie evenly over the entire circumference of the seal ring. This will ensure that the seal ring can be knocked relatively easily into the housing with the help of the wooden or plastic slat, despite the oversized length of the seal. When installing the individual rings, please make sure that the butt joints are offset by 120 degrees respectively. Axial tightening of the packing, if installed into axially adjustable housings. Based on the described basic setting, the actual length of the housing can be adjusted by adding or removing shims. Careful installation and monitoring during the run-in time have a major influence on the lifetime of the seal. Particular attention should be paid to any temperature increase of the rod during run-in. If there is a significant rise in temperature, reduce the actual pressure on the seal set by adding shims at the gland. If leakage occurs, even after an extended period of time, increase the actual pressure on the seal set by gradually removing shims. Freudenberg, innovating together.